You've written the perfect job description, posted it on all the major job boards, and then crickets. Perhaps a few unqualified applicants trickle in, but none that really hit the mark. We see this all the time. Companies put a ton of effort into writing a job post, but they stop there. The reality, posting and praying isn't a recruitment strategy, it's just wishful thinking. To consistently attract the right candidates, not just the most available ones, you need a targeted recruitment advertising strategy. One that's intentional, data-driven, and tailored to the people you actually want to hire. And that's what we're talking about today. Let's start with what recruitment advertising actually is. It's a targeted approach to promoting your open roles through paid channels. Sponsored job ads, social media, search engines, even niche communities, so you're meeting candidates where they already are, whether they're hunting for a job or not. The goal here isn't more applicants, it's to attract the right applicants. Now, every solid recruitment ad strategy has a few building blocks. First, you need a clear picture of what your ideal candidate looks like. What's their background? What motivates them? Where do they spend time online? Defining the right persona is necessary to determine where to advertise and how to craft your message. Next, the job ad itself matters more than you think. It's your first impression. Focus on more than just responsibilities. Highlight growth opportunities, culture, benefits, and why someone would actually want your job. Then comes channel selection. Not every job should be posted everywhere. If you're looking for IT talent, maybe post on Reddit or Stack Overflow. Creative roles, try Instagram. Hourly positions, Indeed is probably your best choice. Your budget should go where your audience already is. Of course, your employer brand needs to be represented as well. If your culture, values, or workplace vibe doesn't come through clearly, even the best advertisement won't convert. And don't forget about metrics. You need to track everything so you can double down on what works and adjust what doesn't. Finally, think beyond the click. Once someone applies, their experience from there matters. A confusing or outdated application process is one of the fastest ways to lose great candidates. So, how do you build a recruitment ad strategy that actually works? Step one is to set your hiring goals. Are you filling one critical role, or are you building a pipeline for long-term growth? Step two, understand your candidate. Build a persona that goes beyond job titles and into who they are as people. Step three, choose your platforms based on behavior, not habit. Go where your candidates go. Step four, write messaging that speaks to them. Their goals, frustrations, aspirations, all of it. Step five, set a smart budget. Test small, scale what works, and keep optimizing along the way. Step six, launch and track performance. Don't just watch impressions, look at apply rates and what kind of applicants you're getting. And step seven, use the data. Your best strategy evolves as you learn. With all of that in mind, here are a few pitfalls to watch out for. Don't treat every role the same. What works for a customer service position won't work for a software engineer. Don't chase vanity metrics. 10,000 views mean nothing if they don't convert into quality applicants. And please don't overlook the candidate experience. If it's hard to apply, people won't. Finally, remember to actively manage your campaigns. Platforms change, trends shift. Set it and forget it doesn't cut it. AI and machine learning are also changing the game. These tools can now predict where your ideal candidates are most likely to engage, adjust your budget in real time, and even personalize your ad copy based on who's viewing it. It's no longer about blasting out a generic message. With the right tools, your ad strategy becomes dynamic, smarter, and way more efficient. So, what tools should you be using? Here's a quick snapshot. For visibility, LinkedIn Talent Solutions, Indeed Sponsored Jobs, and ZipRecruiter. For automation, try Appcast, Jovio, and PandoLogic. For reaching passive candidates, Meta Ads, Google Ads, and YouTube. Additionally, for tracking, consider using Google Analytics, UTM parameters, and recruitment CRMs such as Beamery or Avature. The bottom line is recruitment advertising isn't about more noise. It's about smarter targeting, clearer messaging, and using data to connect with the people who belong on your team. If you're ready to stop posting and praying and start building a strategy that brings the right candidates to you, visit us at fourcornerresources.com to learn more. We've got tools, templates, and expert help ready to go. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest recruiting trends and hiring strategies. We've got a lot more to share. And then, of course, shameless plug, if you need help hiring, call us. This is what we do all day, every day. We have a team of expert staffing professionals on standby all the time. Schedule an appointment. If nothing else, we're happy to share what we know. Thanks for watching.